Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back to my vlog channel. It's very windy today. It's a very windy day, the second day of the new year. And we're trying to, not trying, we're building a stand now for a black drum. So we have here Cowboy and Scully, Khan, as usual. Cowboy is the quiet man on the scene. So we're lining out a 6x6 stand for a water drum. I don't know how this video is going to sound because, as I said, it's very windy in the background. I haven't seen this much breeze in a long time. Rasta gonna do some picker work. Rasta man, you dig it up delicate though. Yeah. So far God. Okay. Alright, so you see Scully here is using a spade because somebody borrowed my shovel and I didn't get it back. And the spade came from the UK in that barrel. So big up to Winston who sent the spades for my garden. Now it's using in a different way, but still for the garden. Because the water is for the garden. And that's why we're building the water drum stand right now. So thank you, Winston. Oh. Just set off it. And Scully like to do things. How the word was Scully always?
Comprehensive.
Comprehensive.
Nice.
So I cannot put in the Scully and you go on the dump.
No, it's too little.
Oh, okay.
Run back in the house.
Okay. You don't want to run back in the
Yeah, space too small.
Comprehensive man, yes.
Yeah.
Scully like to do things comprehensive because what you guys don't know is that Scully is a carpenter.
Around that.
The man can build house, the man can
Around that.
in doing farming, everything. Jack of all trade.
Master of many.
To the trade man, most of the trade man, them while the people in place, they say, master nothing.
Yes, that me used to hear.
Different time now, master, and time a man holding trade tool and in tool. You have to pick up the people think good master.
Did you income?
Yeah.
Who teach you carpenter work?
Your dad.
Okay.
Yeah, your dad. Teach everything. Anything you know, in a board work.
Yeah.
That's why I eat food now. That's why I can go out and do a day work and touch it here.
Okay.
Your father pay me, your father teach me.
Okay.
Whatever I know with my master, your dad teach me.
Okay.
and I mean increase on that. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, yes.
Definitely. I'm going out right by the shop here, get a little bit of stuff and come up, right?
All right, sir. Yeah, so my father taught him the carpenter trade.
So many things that have to happen.
Yes, sir. Because my dad is actually a furniture maker. Very good at that. Most of his customers are overseas. Is a brethren did borrow me picker and one of that me get back. So me get it back.
Oh yeah, you actually have to get piece of pipe and get a welder.
Right.
I have the
Okay. Alright. But I run over the other side and see.
I'm back, Bobo. Bobo, come back, yeah, right.
Okay. So you can see where we put let me zoom it up where we're gonna put the tank, the black tank. You can see that it has a gravity feed going downhill, so we didn't have to put it too high. We just did two block heights, and so that's good enough. Yes, that's good enough. Okay. It's a 6x6 stand. So the black drum is gonna sit right on top. And that's sufficient to get the flow that we want. Alright. Scully and Cowboy did a really good job. I can't complain. Now let's go check on the carrots. So I'm walking on the outskirts of the fence because we were cleaning out the carrot this morning. And guys, I don't know if you know this bush. I tell the Rasta man, say to save them, but he weed them all up. This is called parsley, wild parsley. They call it like the elderly, they call it pusley, but it's wild parsley. And it was taking over the carrots. So this is what the carrot looks like, guys. Very, very green and very, very healthy. Wait, cobweb. Alright, so I'm on the outer skirt of the farm, showing you the carrots. Let me zoom up on the carrots. Look at that. But some of them are too bungled up, so we're going to have to do something about that. But Scotty is coming on Wednesday. So when Scotty comes, he's gonna sort it out. He's gonna sort it all out, man, but the carrots are looking rather healthy. Oh my word. I'm so happy that the carrots are getting to clean out and we can see, our carrot field better. It's not my carrot field now, it's our carrot field. Because we watch it plant and we'll watch it growing. We're gonna watch it reaping. We're gonna do it all together. We're not just gonna watch it, but we're going to do it together, guys. The pumpkin is over there. I can see it, but I don't think you guys can see it. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. That's our baby as well. But I'm happy that the carrots are looking so good. Yes, it wasn't getting any rain the other day and it wasn't looking good at all. But now it's really looking fine. I love the look of it. Yeah. Over there needs to feed now. But I'm gonna have to tell Cowboy, I said don't throw away my parsley, my wild parsley, because I want it to steam. Yes, guys. So guys, that's it. You can see my carrot in the background behind me. The breeze is blowing, so it's a little bit windy, but I'm so happy of the progress of my carrots. So guys, that's it. Happy New Year again. Remember to like, subscribe, and share my vlog channel. Until next time, it's bye for now. And oh, I haven't seen back the rabbit. I don't know if somebody caught it or what, but I haven't seen it back any at all. I haven't seen it.